Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you a soft look using the newest palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have now done 2 videos already and this is the third one. I wanted to do a softer look because the other ones were quite dramatic. The first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids, and I'm using this primer from MAC Cosmetics, which is called the Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I'm using a Pied de Four brush from Sigma Beauty. I'm using this to apply it all over the eyelid. This is my favorite brush to apply eyeshadow primer. For some reason it just goes really well in combination with this primer. Then now to set my eyeshadow primer in place, I'm going to use a little bit of the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour powder in the color Banana. Then this is the palette that I'll be using today. If you want to see the other videos I made with the palette, I will put it down in the description. The first color I'm using is this super light color, and I'm using this to highlight my brow bone. Then after that I'm going in with this color called Coastline, which is like a really soft peachy kind of shade, and I'm gonna blend this all over my crease, go in back and forth with my brush, and this shade has quite a nice color payoff. So you don't have to use a lot. I think I went back in with my brush like 3 times. 2 times like in my crease area, and then 1 more time like for my outer V area. And for today's eye look, I want to create like a round shaped eye look. So that's why you see me blending now around my outer V, because many times I'm using like those eyeshadow guards, which will leave me with a really sharp edge at the outer ends. But lately I'm not really feeling that anymore. I feel like you get more of like a softer outer V if you use just eyeshadow without a eyeshadow guard. So lately I feel like I haven't used a eyeshadow guard in a while. But you will be definitely seeing me using them again. But lately I'm just really into that blended outer V. Then now I'm going back in with that light color and blending a little bit more of that underneath the brow bone. And then I took this color called Yacht. I don't think I pronounced that really good. And I'm going to use that all over the eyelid. I really wanted to do a look with this eyeshadow shade because I swatched it on my finger when I got this palette. And I thought it was so beautiful, so I wanted to save using this color for the opportunity in this video since I'm doing more like a natural look. Then I took that blending brush I used before with no product on it whatsoever, just blending this all around the edges to kind of make sure that the shade on the eyelid kind of blends into the shades in my crease. And then I went in with this shade which is called Monte Carlo, pressing a little bit more of that in the outer V area. And then a little bit towards my crease. I felt like something was missing. I wanted a little bit more darkness, and this was a shade that kind of looked like the one I already used in my crease. So just blending a little bit of that in the outer V, and also blending it on top of that Yacht eyeshadow. And this way everything blends together and you just have a little bit more depth in your outer V and a little bit darkness, even though it's not that much of a change, but I feel like it just makes it look a bit better. Then now I'm taking this waterproof cream color, also by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Jet, which is basically a black gel eyeliner. You can use any eyeliner that you have at home if you recreate this eye look. And I'm gonna start creating a simple line above the lash line. Whenever I do a round shaped eye look, I never really go in with a winged liner. I don't really know why, but I always like keep it with like a simple line above the lash line. But just to kind of make the video a little bit different, I wanted to do a smoked out eyeliner. So I'm going in with a matte dark brown color on top of that gel eyeliner, and I'm just gonna brush it kind of like in a smudgy way. I think the brush that I'm using is a smudge brush from Sigma Beauty, and this way you can just kind of go back and forth with your brush and it will kind of smoke out the eyeliner. And since you're using a brown shade on the brush, it will kind of go together. Then now I'm going to use that pink color again, blending it now underneath the lower lash line. Since I used that color in my outer V as well, it's now really easy to kind of connect the lower lash line with the outer V since that shade is already there. And then now for my waterline, I'm taking the Zoeva Cosmetics pencil in the color Karnat, which is like a kind of neutral color like my skin color. And this will kind of hide the redness from my waterline, and also it will kind of make your my eyes appear bigger. I'm so sorry, I feel like I'm everywhere with my mind today. I'm a little bit chaotic. Then now I'm using that light color in the inner corner of my eye, which will really give you that pop which I really like when it comes to eyeshadow. Then now I'm curling my lashes using a lash curler from Tarte. And you can use any lash curler, you don't really need this particular one. And then of course, after curling my lashes, I'm going in with some mascara. I'm gonna use the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit, which is one of my favorites. It really lifts the upper lashes and it makes my lower lashes look super long. So if you're searching for like a nice mascara which separates the lashes and it makes them long, I would definitely recommend this mascara. And also, it just makes my lower lashes so long, and that's what I really love about this mascara. You can see that it even makes my lower lashes longer than my upper lashes. And since I am going in with some fake lashes, I feel like it kind of balances the whole look. Because I kind of love it when my lower lashes are as long as my upper lashes. It just makes your eyes really look wide open, and I just love how it looks. So I'm applying some fake lashes. The ones I'm using are from Dark Swan of Denmark. Really nice, beautiful, neutral lashes. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you all enjoy watching today's video. Like I said, this is my third video using this palette. So if you haven't seen my other videos, I will link them down in the description bar. Those are a little bit more dramatic, but this is like the more neutral version. So yeah, I really hope this gave you some inspiration on what you can do with the palette. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye!